Hello everyone, take your hair, tie it in the form of two ponytails. Take the lower part, divide it into three parts, roll it upwards, give it a circular look, tie it again with the help of a rubber band of your favorite liking. Take your hair, divide it into 5 equal parts. Take the lower 3 parts, attach it with the upper 2 parts. Take the ribbon and along the edges of the ribbon, keep tying plaits and then roll the plaits just like this and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take the lower half of the hair, tie it again with the help of a ponytail, tie it with a rubber band just like this and then you are done here. Attach it with the help of a clutcher. Take your hair, divide it into 6 equal halves from the upper part, then attach all the 6 parts into 2 parts again and again. Keep inserting it through the gaps just like this so that it gives you a hair bandy look. Thank you for watching.